Come along with me to make shrimp scampi for dinner. I headed to my local ShopRite and went straight to the seafood section. One of the many things I love about ShopRite is they carry this bowl and basket frozen shrimp with the BAP label. This BAP label is important to me as a registered dietitian because it ensures responsibly and ethically produced seafood. BAP is the only certification program capable of certifying every step in the aquaculture production chain. And its certification program is benchmarked by globally recognized third parties. So next time you're buying your seafood from ShopRite, look out for this BAP label. To make this recipe, the first thing you want to do is thaw your shrimp and heat up your pasta water. You also want to heat your pan over medium heat with butter and olive oil. While the pan was heating up, I chopped up my shallot and garlic. You add those two to the pan with a little bit of red pepper flakes and then the white wine. This is the part where it starts to smell so good throughout your whole house. Add your salt and pepper and then wait for the pan to simmer. Once it's been simmering for a few minutes, you're ready to cook your shrimp. You want to cook your shrimp for around 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it's pink. While the shrimp is cooking, you're also cooking your pasta, and I just throw the broccoli right into the same pot with the pasta. From start to finish, this whole dish takes around 20 minutes, and I love it because it's a good mix of carbohydrates to proteins to fats, and it is always such a crowd pleaser. I hope you guys enjoy.